Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to join someone on Roblox without being friends with them. So it is an informative video, so just hear me out. So to do that, you can use several methods, and the first one is leveraging the follow feature. One of the simplest ways to join someone on Roblox without being friends is by leveraging the follow feature. When you follow another player on Roblox, you will receive notifications by their activity, including when they are playing a game. By following someone whose game you wish to join, you can easily track their online status and join their game when they're playing, even if you are not friends. And the second one is using group games. Another effective method for joining someone on Roblox without being friends is through group games. Many games on Roblox are created and managed by groups, which allows players to join and participate in shared experience. By joining a group associated with a game you are interested in, you can access group exclusive features and join games hosted by members of the group, regardless of your friendship status. And the third one is utilizing game invitations. Some games on Roblox offer the option for players to send invitations to join their game directly. If you receive an invitation from someone whose game you want to join, simply accept the invitation to be transported directly into their game session. This streamlined process bypasses the need for friendship and allows you to join the game seamlessly with just a few clicks. And the fourth one is exploring public servers. Many popular games on Roblox feature public servers where players can join and interact with others without the need for invitations or friendships. Public servers are accessible to all players and offer a communal space for gameplay and socializing. By joining a public server associated with the game you are interested in, you can connect with other players and participate in shared experience with any prior connections. So yeah, these are the ways you can follow to join someone on Roblox without being friends with them. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.